Today I'm going to show to edit thumbnails with Photopea. So as you can see, I have Photopea opened, and now click New Project and select 1920 width, 1080 height and create. Now put all your layers and press the edge of the image and click Warp to warp it. And select Filter, Blur and Motion Blur. Then adjust it how you want. Then double-click the text layer and change the text how you want here. Now that I'm finished, make it bigger to read. Then export it. Wait, I forget something. Select Brush and create an empty layer, reduce to flow, and increase the smoothness. Click the right side of your mouse and reduce the hardness. And now Brush, also export. So this is before and this is after. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe.